What's up, world? Wagwan. Nashan back in the building. How everybody doing? I hope everybody who celebrated a Thanksgiving holiday enjoyed themselves and enjoyed the family time, or however you celebrated. Welcome back to the channel. It's an exciting day because we got new Alkaline just got released, y'all. Alkaline just released his new video profile, and in typical Alkaline form, it's not without a controversy. So everybody is already talking about the one scene where you see Alkaline playing around with some nose candy. I don't know what's that about. I don't know. He does definitely know how to stir up some controversy behind his releases. And I guess with everybody buzzing Valiant, King, he needed something to get the gossip mill talking. So I didn't think he really needed these type of gimmicks, but let me take in a little bit of Alkaline brand new video profile. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Tell me in the comments what you think about it, and when you get to that one scene where I talk about, let me know what you feel about it. Do you think it's just like gimmicks, or I don't know? Take it easy. Boom. And there you have it. You see what I talk about? I see the one Dan Vendetta, the Vendetta Dan Alkaline on his new video profile. Nah, like, I had the song on repeat like 4 times. I like the melody, I like the tempo. It's definitely a banger. But that one scene, the thing said, my personal opinion, could have been without it. So let me know what you feel about it, because I want to hear what you got to say about it. Next story, over the weekend, Beenie Man performed in Barbados, and while he was there, Rihanna popped out with A$AP Rocky to come take in the so-called king of dancehall with him fractured foot and all. Because if you didn't hear the story, Beenie Man was in a bike accident when the taxi collided with his bike. He fractured his foot, and he was in Barbados, still performed for his fans, managed to make it out there. So we want to wish Beenie Man a speedy recovery. We don't want to see anybody injured. We're glad it wasn't any worse. But again, he was out there in the Kensington Oval in Barbados, and shut down the place.
You're on Dad's favorite artist.
So Beenie Man also quoted saying, "Big ups to everyone who turned out last night. The show was incredible. You don't know my thing, fractured foot, and all me I go work for my fans them. Love and light to Black Bad Girl Riri and A$AP Rocky. Great vibes all the time," Beenie Man posted. So you already know, Caribbean link up, stink up, and that was Rihanna, A$AP Rocky, and Beenie Man getting together behind the stage at the Beenie Man performance out in Barbados at the Kensington. Oh, I don't know why I can't pronounce that word. The Kensington Oval. I have to slow it down a little bit, you see me? Anyway, moving along and transitioning from one broke foot to a broken arm. We want to send speedy recovery out to dancehall producer Rygin. Story goes that Rygin broke his arm on the set of a music video, and I'm going to post the article up here, reading a little caption of it. On his Instagram page, his right arm was broken after attempting to hop off a moving truck, seemingly while on a music video shoot. I guess it didn't end so well. He posted a little clip on his IG stories, so take a look at that.
Killer them dog, wild and Satan, home in cage and send a boy soul gone. Buju chop, Buju chop.
So Rygin, hurry up and get well soon. And I don't know if you think say Van Damme or some type of stuntman, but yeah, that's what stunt doubles are there for, my friend. Anyway, speedy recovery and get well soon. More reggae news. Beres Hammond, well, unless he let the cat out the bag, because him and Buju Banton, longtime collaborator, are midway through finishing a collaborative album together. That's Buju and Beres together, one album. I know that's gonna be fire. Trust me, I know it's gonna be fire. And Beres had an on-stage interview on Saturday night in which he revealed that he had urged Buju to jokingly making the announcement about the joint album between, and stating that he was the more talkative between the two of them, but Buju still held back on making the announcement. So Beres took it upon himself on the on-stage interview that took place last Saturday to announce that the two are working on a project, and quoting Beres, "We are taking on a project now where this would be the first time recording thing between two artists, the DJ and myself. But we actually are working on an album project, you know. We're more than halfway already." And that's what the Rockaway singer has said. So we're looking forward to that. There's no timetable of when they're gonna complete that album, but we are looking forward to it. Don't worry, I am gonna make sure that y'all know as soon as I know. So don't worry yourself. Tell me in the comments if you're excited about seeing a full album project from Beres and Buju. Out of all of the singles they released over the decades, each one of them bangs. Do you think they can still put that magic together in a full project together and still recreate that magic? I'm looking forward to seeing what you got to say. And since we're talking albums being created, Rygin King, dancehall artist Rygin King, has announced through his Instagram that he's the brand new latest artist on Drake's label, OVO. And he was posted the video to his Instagram telling everybody that he's actually in the meeting of signing the contract. In the middle of the meeting, my dude took out him phone vlog same time. So congratulations to Rygin King, the latest newest artist on the OVO roster. He joins Party Next Door, Popcorn, Drake. So that's gonna be a good look. I know the production is definitely gonna level up. So we're looking forward to hearing some more projects from Rygin King and to see what the future gonna bring. Let's see if that OVO sound is gonna resonate, allow him to reach out to a more international market. Yeah, things should turn up. I love seeing these type of looks and these moves for the young dancehall artists. Them, I love it. Everything.
Sauce, you know, they never believe. All right. See signing here now. Oh, let me hurry up and take care for them. Don't want to see what I go on. You see me? See tough they see. Watch out. OVO signed there. You see me I say? Yeah man. How much money you want Louis Vuitton bag around this up? I want place, I want part. Alright? Nobody? You see me I say? See pen up on the table there? What you say? What you think?
Oh, so we're not itch too long on that one there because over the weekend was Chug It. And we know I said Chug It ram tickets them there sold out. And who took the night was rising star Valiant. Valiant had the crowds eating out of his hands. Oh my goodness. When you see the footage, you're gonna be like, yes, this youth has a promising future. I mean, we're co-signing it. Definitely. As soon as I get some double program running, I'm gonna get tuned up myself, cause you know, looking at me, yeah, you can tell seven charge up. Anyway, we're gonna close out this vlog with Valiant's performance at Chug It. Tell me what you think about the youth. What you think about his career? You think he got it for long lasting, or you think he's just a quick burnout? But shout out to everybody watching. Do me a favor, share this post, tell your friend, tell your cousin, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your mother, tell your father, tell anyone. Say, hey, we got a new vlog on the block, and we tuning in. We got comedies, reviews, shows. Tell me in your comments what you think about this vlog, and I will definitely respond. I like to respond to everybody's comments. So I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all enjoy this new Valiant stage show at Chug It, and I'll see y'all again later. Do the YouTube things, like, subscribe, share. Peace, and I'll see y'all again later. Bless.
People of the next up
One destiny.